Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to indent bullet points. So if you want to indent bullet points like to entire list, you can tap UL tag, and the next in here I will use the list. So item 1, and the next is list again, item 2, and then item 3. Now you can click File, Save, and then Preview in browser. Now to indent, so you can create style element with padding left. Like I will set into 50 pixel. Now you can save. And then you can refresh. It will be padding into 50 pixel. Okay, I will set again, like it to 100. Can change here, 100 pixels. And then refresh again to padding into 100. So if you want to adjust individual items, like I will copy to here. Now to individual, you can move this style element into list tag like this. Now you can click File, Save, and then you can preview. So it will be padding only in this item 1. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to indent bullet points.